Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So in today's class, children, we are going to do practice questions. So take out your workbook and also take out your maths copy. Let's start. So children, let's start the class. Today we are going to do practice questions. So take out page number 5 of your book and also take out your maths copy. Do along with me, children. Write today's date. The first question is solve using fingers. Now you know how to use fingers, right? How to use your fingers for subtraction. The first question is 9 minus 2. So bigger number is what? 9. So first you open 9 fingers, children. Then smaller number is what? 2. So minus 2 means close 2 fingers, children. What will you get? How many finger remains open? 7. So the answer is 7. Number B. 8 minus 3. So what you are going to do? Bigger number is 8. Open 8 fingers. Minus 3. Minus 3 means close 3 fingers, children. Now how many fingers remain open? 5 fingers. The answer is 5. Very good. Next, 5 minus 2. Bigger number is what, children? 5. So open 5 fingers. Minus 2. Close 2 fingers. So how many fingers remain open, children? 3 fingers. Clear? Do along with me, children. Is it done? Okay, then number 2, subtract 4 from 5 by writing the numbers in column. Column means vertical. So children, vertically we will arrange. That means this is 1 digit number, put ones place. Now bigger number comes first. 5 is bigger, we'll write bigger number first. Okay, and 4 will write down, and subtract. For subtract, what sign do we give? Minus. Minus 4. Now how can we subtract this, children? 5 minus 4. Open 5 fingers. Close 4 fingers. How many fingers remain open? 1. Did you get the answer? Very good. Next, number 3. Fill in the blanks. Now you can see, children, down, top, then between. There are some blanks, right? So we will fill up this blank. Let's do it. The first one, A. 7 minus 6. This is very easy, isn't it? You can do this. 7 minus 6. So, what will be the answer? 1. Did you get? Okay. Now, about this we have to think. B. We have to think for it, children. Now, you can see answer is there. Smaller number is there, but we have to find the bigger number. Now children, to find the bigger number, how do we find bigger number? By doing addition. When we find the smaller number, we do subtraction. To find the bigger number, children, we will do addition. So addition of which two numbers we are going to do? These two numbers. 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is what, children? 8. Here we get a bigger number, that is 8. Understood? Next, now here you know that smaller number is always below the bigger number, right? So here what number we have to find? Smaller number. So we are going to do subtraction, that is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is what, children? 8 minus 2 is, find out, open 8 fingers, close 2 fingers, you will get 6. So here it comes 6. Okay. Then D. You can number it this. C. Now we are going to find the smaller number. So we are going to do what? Subtraction. 6 minus 6 is what? 0. When we subtract same numbers, then the answer is 0. Got? Now, the fifth one, we are going to find what, children? Bigger number, right? So, to find the bigger number, what we are going to do? We are going to do addition. 4 plus 0 is what? 4. So, here we get the answer. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, very good. Number 4. Subtract 3 from 8 by writing the numbers in column. You know how to do the same as we have done in number 2. So you can do this yourself and find out the answer. You will get the answer 5. It is very easy. Now next, question number 5, children. Maya had 46 marbles. Maya had 46 marbles. She kept 9 of them in box. So how many marbles are left? When the word left is here, children, what we are going to do? Subtraction. So let's do the subtraction, children. So there are 2 places. So we'll write ones, tens. Done. Now we will arrange 46 first. 46. Then comes minus 9. Now we will do subtraction. Now children, we subtract first. We start subtraction first from ones place, right? Now we always subtract from bigger number. But here it is a smaller number. What we will do? When there is a smaller number, we will borrow 1 from 4. Okay? When we will borrow 1 from 4, then 6 will become 16. Okay? You know now we give and take. So we will take 1 from 4 and 4 will have how many, children? Then 3. 3 will left with tens. Okay? In tens place. So now we are going to subtract 16 minus 9. So children, how to subtract this? What you can do, children, you can start, you just do 16 minus 9. You can draw the lines. You can draw the lines if you can do 16s and cancel the 9 lines. Then you will get the answer. Find out the answer. You will get 7. You will get 7. Or else, children, what you can do, very simple way, after 9 you start counting in your fingers. You can see there are lines, right? There are lines. What you can do, after 9 you start counting till 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now let's count till here. How many lines do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. There are many ways of doing subtraction. You can choose any easy way. So what remains in tens place? 3. So here we get 37. How many marbles are left with Maya? 37. Then number 6. Subtract the numbers using the number line. This you can do, right? You have to arrange this 4 minus 2. And then you can draw it in the number line. Get the answer. Okay, children. So I'll stop here for today. You can do questions from 1 to 6. And try to do yourself, children. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. That's all for today. Thank you so much.